What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to set the camera swipe shutter button to take burst shot in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open camera. Now click on the settings icon and then go to the pictures section and click on swipe shutter button to option. Now here, if you want to set the camera swipe shutter button to take burst shot, select take burst shot. And now to take the burst shot, go back and open your camera, and now you can swipe the shutter button to take the burst shot. So that's how you can set the camera swipe shutter button to take burst shot in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.